Hi, welcome to the first episode of our SQL Master Series. In today's session, we are diving into the real world scenario where we have the employee ID, salary, and title. So we have to get this output employee ID, salary, and status. Now we will look into the question. In this particular SQL challenge, we will be working with the dataset employee pay containing information employee IDs, salaries, and job titles. Our task is to craft a query that identifies the compensation outliers, pinpointing the individuals who earn significantly more, two times their average or less than half their salary for the respective titles. So what they are asking is they need to identify whether they are underpaid or overpaid based on the salary. That is, if the employee 104 is earning 30,000, that is less than half of their average salary of that particular category. That is, here you can see 104 data analyst of that particular category data analyst. It is less than half, so it is mentioned as underpaid. 3,10,000 is overpaid because it is more than two times the average salary of the data scientist. Okay, now we will go to the solution. Before we go to the solution, if you want, you can just pause this video and try your solution first. I have given all the inputs and the data in the comment section along with this video. So first we have to find out the title average salary, that is the average salary of each title. For that we are going to use the group by condition. Select title comma average of salary as average salary from employee pay group by title. Okay, now we got the average salary of each title. We will make this as a temporary table. So we make this as CTE and we will combine this temporary table with the main table which we got. So select what all we need. We are going to combine employee pay. We will do a left join because we need everything from this table. Left join, that is the main table. CTE on EP dot title equal to CTE dot title. Here we will take out everything from the employee pay, and CTE dot we will take only the average salary from this table, that is the temporary table. Okay, now we got the salary, title, and average salary. Now our question solution is very easy. We have to just compare this salary with average salary, whether it is higher than two times or whether it is less than half the salary. We have to compare that and make that as a status. Okay, for that we need to use the case when statement. So case when salary is greater than 2 multiplied by average of salary, then return as overpaid. Else we need to use another case statement because we have to mention the condition for underpaid also. Case when salary is less than half of the average salary, then underpaid. So we mentioned here is only one code. Okay, else not available, and we have to close this bracket and we have to give another end for other case statement as status. Okay. Now we will see. Now we got all the status NA. So we have to filter it out though the status which we don't have NA now. So we will make another CTE for this T1 as we cannot filter it out on the same CTA because when the status was created just now, so we cannot filter out there. So what we need employee ID, title, no salary, and status from the CTE1 where status is not equal to NA. So we got the answer, that is 104 employee ID salary is having less than half of the salary compared to the data analyst in the category. So we got this output. We can try this output with the Windows partition by also. We can use only one CTE there. If you want, you can try that solution also. But this is very straightforward and easy solution for beginners. Thank you.